Hey to all you cave guys and cave gals, welcome back to Caveman Mining. I hope everyone is well and having a great day. On today's video, I wanted to cover with you guys the topic that we're finishing up is our pool mining Ravencoin. As you guys know, we've been pool mining Ravencoin for just about over a week now, and I wanted to go over the intimate results with you guys to let you know a few things. One is how much Ravencoin have we mined with poolminer.org in over a week, letting you know some of the statistics around our hash rate, some of the, I guess, bumps and bruises that we have encountered along the way, and some of the things that have transpired over the week, and letting you know where we stand in terms of the what we call the loyalty rewards or the loyalty bonus program for minerpool.org, and what we're doing with that. And then we're going to talk a little bit about what the plan is going to be going forward. As you guys know, the halving is happening January 11th. So we'll talk a little bit about some of the things that we plan to do up until then and potentially after the fact. So this Space Goats power meter is plugged into our hanging rig, which is 4 cards right now. And then we have our 8-card rig that is a mix between some AMD and NVIDIA. So you can see we're pulling just about 1589 to 80-ish watts. And that's about the max power that we've got running for 12 cards. Now, we have some of our other cards that are mining Ravencoin. They are not onto this circuit. They're on the test bench that's plugged into another circuit down here. And then we have our 2 other machines, our desktop gaming slash studio machine with the 3060, and then we have our laptop with the 2070 that's also mining Ravencoin. So all in all, I think we're probably pulling just over 2,000 watts, maybe 2200 watts if I was to suspect total. So we'll kind of try to factor that in as we talk a little bit about our profitability with Ravencoin. It's just hard to get a grasp on total power consumption as we don't have at the wall meters for all of our machines that are plugged in. But we'll just keep that in mind as we go here. Without further ado, we will go upstairs and jump into the laptop to give you an intimate look at some of the statistics and things that we have going on. So see you guys there. Okay guys, so we have jumped into the laptop, and the first thing we want to do is take a look at some of the mining stats that we have obtained through minerpool.org. As you guys know, we have been mining this since the 12th of December. It is now the 19th of December, so we have done a full week of mining. And at a glance here, you can kind of tell the story a little bit about the mining. Let's go ahead and expand this down here so we could get a week of mining. So we started out, we had some dips in hash rates. You could see over the course of the week, there were quite a few dips, and this is because our farm had actually restarted, and some of our workers had restarted. One due to, I believe on the 15th, we had a power outage for not very long, but it just pretty much restarted all the workers. And then I know some of the rigs rebooted during the week. As I mentioned to you guys, we had some issues with we were also dual mining Raptorium, which I did stop doing that as of kind of this afternoon on the workers. So when we look at Hive OS, we're just mining with just the GPUs, not doing any Raptorium mining there on this farm. We'll kind of continue that as we go later down the line, but things seem to be okay and hashing up for the moment. And when we look at minerpool.org, you can see that estimation wise, based off of the hash rates and things that have been going, 364 coins roughly for every 24 hours. So that's not too bad. You can see over the week we've mined 2,552 Ravencoin. And our current hash rate is 322 megahash. Now it is dipped a little bit because The laptop which I'm running has a 2070 Max Q, which we are not utilizing. I wanted to shut that off to allow us to record this in good quality. Yeah, and also I did have that off for about 24 hours. So I think before today, our average was like 338 mega hash, give or take, for the week. And yeah, you could see here the loyalty program. It says we're at 100% uptime. That's in general. And then the bonus you see on the bottom, the week payout is at 46%. Now, we missed the first swing of this uptime because of the dips and things like that. So I think this 46% accounts for 2 or 3 days worth of mining. And I think we're getting like 14 or 13% each day, something of that nature each day. So we'll see. I'm going to let this farm keep going for probably 3 or 4 more days on Ravencoin to see if we can get this loyalty bonus. So just to catch you guys up on that again, it's essentially for every 100 mega hash that you have, that is for every 10 mega hash that you have on your farm, that is 1 Ravencoin. So for us, we pretty much have at stake about 33 Ravencoin as a potential reward, and I want to see if that works. So I'm going to wait a couple more days to see if that happens. We are now at 100% uptime, so been on the pool for quite some time now. Our cards are doing decent. We have a good average hash rate, so that should hold us pretty steady. But yeah, taking a look at that, not too bad. 2,552 Ravencoin over the past week. And if we put in our mega hash average, like I said, 338, we're probably pulling close to 2,300 watts at 12 cents a kilowatt at a 1% pool fee. So if we calculate that based off of the value right now, take home, that's $21.95. So if we, that would be the quantity or the yield of 358 Ravencoins mined per day. If we look back, that's pretty accurate, right? This is $28 a day, $28.94. And this is $28.87, so pretty close to that. This minerpool.org obviously does not account for electricity. So we look here, based on the 2,300 watts, that's costing us about $6.62 a day. We minus that from our revenue, and that brings us to $21.95 a day, almost $2, $22 a day. So not too bad, I guess. Yeah, it's more power intensive. The electric bill is probably going to be a little bit higher this coming month, but we'll see what happens. Definitely we're getting more Ravencoin. I didn't have a whole ton of Ravencoin in my bag before doing some of these experiments, so hopefully it pays off after the halving. Hopefully we see a value increase, so the amount of Ravencoin that we have grows, the value grows in the future. So yeah, I will probably do a quick short during the next couple days to see if we actually got any bonus payouts for the loyalty program. I think that would be something interesting to see if that does work. And yeah, we'll continue to mine Ravencoin a little bit more, maybe a couple more days, and see what happens there. In terms of the future plans, we're going to potentially look to do some videos on seeing what GPUs are the most efficient to mine on Ravencoin. So we'll look at some data online in the next couple weeks. And then I don't want to spoil a surprise, but be on the lookout for some other YouTuber collaborations involving Ravencoin regarding some videos that may be coming up this week. So for those of you guys who are interested to see that potentially, definitely make sure you subscribe so you can get notified when our videos drop here. And definitely, if you like this touch base video, hit that thumbs up. And with that all being said, guys, we'll see you on the next video. So far, so good. Ravencoin to the moon. Take care.